Hi friends, a new year and a new workshop from what I consider the most talented and passionate institution in teaching the FUE technique in hair transplantation, the World FUE Institute, an institution that was created by a group of advanced surgeons back in 2015 and that since 2016 and only with the interruption of the now forgotten pandemic, has held its annual meeting in different cities of Europe, Asia and Africa. This year, and to celebrate our decade of existence, we are moving to America, to the lavish city of Sao Paulo in Brazil. I have always been working on the scientific subcommittee, ensuring the quality of the program. But this year we have two immense professionals in charge of carrying out that scientific agenda, none others than Dr. Tony Ruston and Dr. Ron Shapiro, legends of the hair transplant for more than 3 decades. If you want to collaborate with the WFI and you have not sent your abstract, hurry up, the deadline expires soon. As always, I will be very active at this meeting, talking about my favorite topics such as comfort value, repair cases, advanced alopecias, and pattern alopecias, and recently a topic that has been increasing my curiosity, the FAPD, the fibrosing alopecia in a pattern distribution. Finally, this is your society and we will soon renewing our board. If you are not afraid of work, you are interested in collaborating with us and you have good ideas, contact us. We need new professionals for the logical updating of this, your institute. Without further ado, I'll see you there, and remember, the 8th workshop of the WFI will be in the city of Sao Paulo, Brazil, from 23rd of April to 26th, 2025, hosted by Dr. Ruston and Dr. Shapiro. See you there. Bye.